welcome back, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, we are doing something so exciting. I am so thankful, so grateful, so excited, just filled with pure joy, happiness, and just everything in between, because this entire video is sponsored by iEDM. I don't know if you can hear that. I am currently in a Walmart parking lot. We are RV life. What are you gonna do?
Hours later.
But speaking of RV life, we are on our way to Imagine Music Festival right now. We're going right after this. I'm going to unbox this with you guys, and then we are on our way to Will Call. Thank you so much to iEDM for sponsoring this video. I am so excited. I am going to really put these clothes to the test. We are gonna headbang. We are gonna flow. We are gonna run around like feral rats. We are going to go crazy. We are gonna go ham. We are gonna lose our minds, and we're gonna see if iEDM clothing can be put to the test of my crazy self. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ah, so excited. Okay. Oh. Go. We're gonna open it one by one. The first is this. This is the Stargate Prism shorts. So let's take it out of the packaging. I can't believe that iEDM reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to work with them. iEDM holds such a really big place in my heart because their clothing is what I started with when I started raving. I typed in rave clothing on Google, and iEDM was one of the first few things that popped up with like I Heart Raves and like Rave Wonderland and all those things. I just fell in love with their clothing and their accessories, and I basically built most of my rave closet when I first started building my rave closet out. So this is just a dream come true. But here are the shorts. So cute. They're basically just like what are they called, like compression shorts. That's kind of what it feels like. The band is really thick. It looks like they like doubled up on the fabric, and then they what's it called, serged it together. I think this is a serger. I used to sew. I should know all this. But wow, the stitching is just beautiful, beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that. I love that they're not like super neon, and they're not super like, what's the word, like exposing. Like they're just regular shorts and not like bikini rave bottoms, because I don't really wear a lot of the bikini rave bottoms. I love like just wearing shorts like this, and like I have shorts on right now. Like this is what I'm wearing to the festival. The GoPro stopped, but yeah, I'm just under these. I'm wearing like these little compression short things, and I love these. So I'm so excited to add more to my closet. But yeah, these are the shorts. How cute! I can't wait to try them on. iEDM. You guys gotta go. You guys gotta go to iEDM.com. Okay, I pulled this one out first, but I saw that this had matching fabric. Oh my gosh, I have a set. I love sets. It makes it so much easier to plan rave outfits when you don't have to figure out like what matches and what goes together. Yee, so excited. How cute. Oh my gosh, this fabric. This fabric is so soft. Oh my gosh, what kind of fabric is this? It's so soft. So it looks like this is a tank top, and it's like a loose fitting tank top. As you can see, it's really bouncy, and then it like spreads right here, so it's not like super tight on your body. It's just a thin, super soft, like wow. This does feel different than this. This fabric feels a little thicker than this one, but I can already tell that this is going to make me feel so cozy, but so put together and so cute. Oh my gosh, I might wear this tonight for the pre-party. The pre-party might be a little cold, actually. Maybe we'll save this for tomorrow, but we'll see. So cute! I love the pattern. I don't know if you guys can see that. Beautiful. Next one is the fractalized shorts. And if you guys want any of these products, I'm going to leave all of them in the description below. I'm going to put links too, so all you gotta do is click on the link and then it'll bring you to all of these outfits. Oh, it's getting hot in here. It's getting hot. I turned the generator off for you guys. I turned it off for you guys, and that means the AC isn't going, and that means I feel like I am cooking in an oven right now. So if my face is getting red, I'm sorry. I feel like it is getting so hot in here.
Boy, it's a scorcher out there today. Woo!
Oh, but anyway, they're the same as these shorts, just in a different fabric. They look like this. How cute! Oh my gosh. I can't get over the quality. Like they're stretchy. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. They're stretchy, they're so soft. I love that these are like subtle too. Like, they're not like super rave bottoms. Like, I feel like I can wear these anywhere and they would still look pretty normal. I don't know if you guys know, but I love my earth tones. I love my earth tones, and this has like yellow, green, and it's mostly like brown and black with like a splash of color here and there, like right here, the pink and the purple, the yellow, but for the most part, it's got a lot of those earth tones in there. So how cute. I love that I have 2 shorts now and a tank top, because like I said, we're going to Imagine right now. In like an hour, we're gonna be at will call. I have no outfits planned, like any. I have no outfits planned, and now I have one and shorts, and then I could even do this. I could even wear this and then pair it with this. I feel like, okay, I can't tell if that matches right now. Even if I don't put the tank top with these shorts, I have 2 outfits. So thank you, iEDM. You saved me.
You saved me. Why? Monkey.
I've been panicking about what outfits I'm gonna wear, and now I got 2. We have one more thing in this amazing package by iEDM, and this is the Toxic Sloth dress bodycon. Toxic Sloth, like, come on. You already know this is gonna look cool. I'm actually really excited to see what this looks like. iEDM.com. Oh my god. I love that. Oh my god. You guys, do you see the sloth? Oh my god. Hold on. Hold on. I have to appreciate this for a second. Oh my gosh. And it's a dress. How fun. The colors are so vibrant and so beautiful, and there's like so much going on, but also like not going on at the same time. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like, it blends so well that it's not like all over the place. I'm definitely gonna pair maybe some platforms with this, a bodycon Toxic Sloth, I can't even say it, Toxic Sloth dress with maybe black platform boots. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. The dress goes like this, like an hourglass figure, so it's definitely gonna squeeze you in the right ways, which we love. Ah, and Boo Boo's back. It's time to go to Imagine. Woo!
What'd you get?
so many things, but you'll see later because we got to go to Imagine.
Okay.
Alright, that is everything. We are going to head to Imagine right now. Make sure to check out all of my Imagine vlogs. I'm going to start the vlog right now. I will see you guys at Imagine when I try all these clothes on, and we are going to put them all to a test. See you guys. No. Oh no, babe. We're gonna miss it. We're gonna miss the set if we don't hurry up.
No, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
Okay,
don't worry.
We're gonna make it. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna make it. Here we go.
Wait.
What?
Wait.
What's going on?
Wait, come back. I think we're going the wrong way.
Oh no. Oh, this way. This way. It's this way. Okay, we're going the right way.
We got it.
We got it. We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it.
Ah, oh no. Ah. Still looking cute. Next up, the Stargate shorts. And last up is this complete set. These outfits were so cute, so comfortable. Oh my god, I couldn't believe it. And I felt confident all weekend long. Thank you so much to iEDM for sponsoring this video. Make sure you check out all of their products at iEDM.com and find all of the pieces that I wore this weekend in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!